Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel Auto Tech. Are you looking for the top 5 best 4K dash cams of 2025? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best 4K dash cams of 2025. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Experience next-level road safety and video clarity with the VIOFO A329 4K 60fps dual dashcam. This advanced dash camera captures ultra-crisp 4K UHD footage at 60 fps in the front and sharp 2K QHD at the rear, powered by cutting-edge Sony STARVIS 2 image sensors for exceptional low-light performance, day or night. Ideal for drivers who demand the best in security and video evidence, the A329 offers power-saving parking mode, ensuring around-the-clock surveillance while minimizing battery usage. With Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, you can effortlessly preview, download, and share recordings using the intuitive VIOFO app, faster and more reliably than ever before. Equipped with loop recording, G-sensor collision detection, and support for up to 512GB micro SD cards, this dashcam never misses a moment. The sleek, discreet design integrates seamlessly into any vehicle, while the super wide-angle lenses ensure maximum coverage on the road. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or parked, the VIOFO A329 delivers peace of mind, crystal-clear footage, and smart features you can rely on, every mile, every moment. Number 2. VIOFO A229 Plus dashcam, front and rear protection with dual STARVIS 2 sensors. The VIOFO A229 Plus dashcam delivers unmatched clarity and reliability with its dual STARVIS 2 sensors, capturing both front and rear views in sharp 2K 1440p resolution. Whether you're commuting daily or taking a road trip, this dual-channel HDR dashcam ensures vivid, balanced footage even in low light. Equipped with voice control, the A229 Plus allows hands-free operation for safer driving. Easily start recording, take snapshots, or turn on Wi-Fi without taking your eyes off the road. The built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi provides ultra-fast video transfers and seamless app connectivity for viewing and downloading footage directly to your smartphone. With support for up to 512GB micro SD cards, you'll never have to worry about running out of storage. Its sleek, discreet design fits perfectly in any vehicle while offering essential features like loop recording, parking mode, with optional hardware kit, and G-sensor protection. Reliable, smart, and packed with next-gen imaging technology, the VIOFO A229 Plus is the ultimate driving companion for complete peace of mind on every journey. Number 3. VIOFO A229 Pro 4K HDR dashcam. Capture every drive in stunning detail with the VIOFO A229 Pro 4K HDR dashcam. This premium 2-channel system features the advanced dual STARVIS 2 sensors, IMX678 for the front, 4K Ultra HD, and IMX675 for the rear, 2K Quad HD, delivering exceptional clarity, even in low light. HDR technology ensures balanced exposure in high-contrast scenes like nighttime streets or sunlit roads. Equipped with voice control, hands-free operation becomes effortless, while built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi enables fast file transfers and seamless smartphone connectivity. The integrated GPS records speed, time, and location data to support evidence in the event of an incident. Ideal for both daily commuters and road trip enthusiasts, the A229 Pro offers loop recording, G-sensor protection, and parking mode for 24/7 surveillance. Its sleek design and user-friendly interface make installation and operation easy. Whether you're navigating city traffic or cruising highways, the VIOFO A229 Pro delivers peace of mind and reliable performance in every journey. Experience next-level driving security with this cutting-edge dashcam solution. Number 4. Vantrue N2X 2.7K Uber Dashcam, Ultimate Dual-View Car Security. The Vantrue N2X is a powerful 2.7K dual dash cam engineered for rideshare drivers, commuters, and anyone prioritizing safety on the road. Featuring a front-facing camera that records in 2.5K at 60 fps and an interior camera with HDR and IR night vision, the N2X delivers crystal-clear footage day and night. Powered by STARVIS 2 sensors and advanced HDR technology, it captures every detail, even in low light or high contrast conditions. Equipped with 5G Wi-Fi and LTE support, via optional module, this smart dashcam ensures instant app connectivity and cloud access. Built-in GPS accurately tracks location, speed, and route data, making incident reporting and trip tracking seamless. Its 24/7 parking mode uses motion and impact detection to safeguard your vehicle when parked. With sleek design, supercapacitor reliability, and a user-friendly interface, the Vantrue N2X is built for long-term durability in extreme temperatures. Whether you're driving for Uber or just want peace of mind, the N2X offers comprehensive protection inside and out. Number 5. Redtiger 4K Dashcam Front and Rear, Ultimate Driving Companion. Capture every moment on the road with the Redtiger 4K Dashcam, featuring front and rear coverage for complete driving protection. Equipped with the advanced Sony STARVIS 2 sensor, this camera delivers ultra-clear 4K resolution even in low-light conditions. Its 3.18-inch responsive touchscreen offers an intuitive user experience, while voice control allows hands-free operation for safer driving. With built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, you can quickly transfer videos to your phone via the companion app, perfect for instant playback or sharing. The included 128GB SD card ensures ample storage right out of the box, and loop recording with G-sensor support automatically locks important footage during accidents or sudden movements. Integrated GPS tracks your driving route, speed, and location, ideal for insurance claims and travel documentation. The Redtiger Dashcam also offers superior night vision, wide dynamic range, WDR, and parking mode for round-the-clock surveillance. Reliable, sleek, and packed with premium features, this dashcam is a must-have for modern drivers who value safety, convenience, and high-quality video recording.